And if you're a Rio Grande Valley resident, there is a new available resource to help you navigate the Affordable Care Act health system. Get Covered America is a nonprofit organization whose goal is to get you up to speed and enrolled in the market. This morning, Jose Medrano joins us to break it down. Thank you so much for being here with us this morning.
Thank you for having us this morning.
Let's go ahead and start with who is going to be eligible for this.
Well, actually, what we're going after this morning, or who we're going to be going after this morning, since today is the first day of the marketplace opening, are all of the uninsured. We know there are millions of people across the country who are uninsured, and about 250,000 people here in the Rio Grande Valley area who are uninsured. So those are our target group initially. There are folks that may have insurance plans right now, and they want to shop the market, and they're able to do that. They can go to www.healthcare.gov and start looking at the website, which opened at midnight last night.
And you know, 250,000 people out of 1 million people in the valley, those are huge numbers.
Absolutely.
We're talking about upper lower class to lower middle class people who may have to work 2 jobs, who don't necessarily make that the large salaries, who maybe work 2 part-time jobs and unfortunately aren't eligible for coverage with their employer.
Sure.
And so what does this mean for them?
Well, this means that starting today, they will be able to go to the marketplace just like they would be going to go buy a cable or research the product that's best for them. And so this gives the consumer the opportunity to shop for the insurance plan that is best for them individually or they and their families.
We're talking about healthcare.gov. I actually logged onto the website just a little bit ago. In our next hour, we're going to show you what that looks like. You're going to have the option to shop from 4 different plans.
Correct. There is the bronze, the silver, the gold, and the platinum plan. And so, of course, the variations in price will depend on what the copay is and what the premium pay will be. But the best way to get a figure would be to go through the Navigator system. Here in the Rio Grande Valley, Migrant Health Promotions is going to be the Navigator that will have a team in Hidalgo County and Cameron County and Willacy County. As a matter of fact, this evening at the McAllen Public Library at 6:30, we are going to have our first event where we're going to be providing information to the community.
And this is all going to be free of cost.
Yeah, absolutely, it's going to be free of cost.
This is kind of a grassroots movement, Get Covered America, that's going to be helping Valley residents really go shop the network properly and make the best decisions for themselves.
Absolutely. This is a good opportunity, and anybody that would like to get online and get more information, of course they can go to www.healthcare.gov. Also, if they would like more information from the Get Covered America, if they go to www.getcoveredamerica.org, there is also much more information to be able to guide them through the process.
It's going to be a big change for Americans and people here in the Valley. And as a matter of fact, a lot of this has to do with taxes. So that's why coming up in 2 minutes, Mary's going to be joined by a tax expert who's going to explain to you how this is going to be affecting you. We'll be back in just a little bit.